Dynamite, dynamite, dynamite. This is the Lawyer James video program. It is the best, the absolute dynamite video program by a New York business attorney in transactional, in litigation, and distressed and bankruptcy practice areas. Now, here's today's episode. In this video, I will be reading from my ebook, The Power of One, Life and Business After COVID-19 Lockdown. 9 timeless tips, how to emerge and thrive. Tip number 5, talk smart. The video is going to switch from me to the text of the ebook, The Power of One, so you can read along if you want to. This is The Power of One, tip number 5, talk smart. Smart businesses give away things for free because they want to help and they're confident that they can. These offers are called no-brainer offers. Do some research and find who is offering free consultations in the context of your specific needs and talk to them. Again, as with the reading, listening, and watching materials referred to in tip number 4, credibility is key, and you don't want to be taken on some wild goose chase that wastes your time, costs you money, and doesn't teach you anything. Remember, there are 3 things when vetting which offer to follow up on and which offer to pass on. First, look for a third-party validation like testimonials and objective reviews. Second, look for other third-party validation like news articles and other publications. And third, ask people you trust that have proven track records for some recommendations. In terms of categories of people who can help, and again, this depends on your particular industry and needs. As a general matter, these people fall into the following categories: accountants, attorneys, business coaches, leadership experts, motivational speakers, personal trainers, sales trainers, and spiritual leaders. You can further refine the list of those people and companies who will be helpful to you by further drilling down to see if you need specific advice or guidance. For instance, if you're in the medical field, you might want to find specific medical personnel like doctors who can help with your product or services. If you're in technology, well, you know where to look. If you do this right, you'll pick up nuggets of information, and if you laser focus, you might even be able to pick up a mentor or at least a sounding board during the process. Once you find someone who will spend some time with you, the next step is to contact them. You can email or call them. Remember above, cold calling is effective. In fact, a client of mine cold called a major celebrity business person 15 years ago, and this celebrity has been my client's mentor ever since. And this person is an unpaid mentor. Once you get some traction with this exercise, be prepared when you eventually speak to this person. This means make a list of 100 questions to ask, so many that you will never be able to ask them all. And if you can, come up with even more. It will impress the person you speak with, and they will be more likely to help you. Mentoring is a brain to pick, an ear to listen, and a push in the right direction. That's a quote by John Crosby. Use your power of one to talk smart. It starts with you. You can reach me online by visiting my website, thelawyerjames.com, thelawyerjames.com, thelawyerjames.com. You can call me at 212-500-1891. That's the office, 212-500-1891, 212-500-1891. You can contact me by email at james@thelawyerjames.com, 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 or by text message at 917-783-3153. Text message 917-783-3153. That's 917-783-3153.